What's going on? Sunny here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you one of the processes that I've used to reprogram my subconscious mind from the person that I used to be and the life that I used to live to the person I am today and the life that I'm living right now. Okay, and this process is very effective, but it does require your patience, repetition, and conscious awareness. The process that I'm about to describe to you today is just one part of the entire Create Your Own Dream Life workshop that I'm giving away for free right now. So after you watch this video, make sure to go watch that free workshop. I'll link it down below. But that is the overall full process of creating your reality from a higher consciousness mindset. Whereas what we discuss in today's video is going to be one part of that, which is reprogramming your mind to change your life. So let's get right into it. Take a look at this visual. On this visual, you will see that your belief is constantly turning into reality through action. Through the day-to-day actions that you take, your beliefs, everything that you carry internally, is turning into reality. What you experience as circumstances, people, events, material possessions, everything that you experience. And this reality that you see constantly gives you feedback. And this feedback, through this feedback, you create new beliefs, or your existing beliefs get stronger. Okay, so just to give you an example of this feedback loop, what we call it, to give you an example, it's like, okay, if you have a belief that I am not worthy and I'm a loser, and through this underlying belief that you may not even be conscious of, you are going to a party, okay? And over there at the party, you are projecting this belief through your action. Because you don't feel worthy, you're not going to act worthy. You're not going to actually approach people and talk to them and everything. And so because of that, you're kind of like alienating yourself at the party and you're being antisocial. Obviously, like, let's just say a lot of people don't want to talk to you, or you find yourself being alone and not being able to socialize with many people. So that's your belief literally turned into reality. It's not really that like you aren't worthy, but reality just reflected back to you your belief. Okay. And because it reflected back to your belief, now that's the feedback that you received, and you just confirmed your belief. You're like, yeah, I'm not worthy. Nobody wants to talk to me. I'm antisocial. So you see, it all starts with the belief within, the thought that you have within, through which the action that you take is obviously influenced, which creates a particular reflection in reality, which then feeds you back another idea that you just accept. So through our lives, we just go about this process completely unconsciously. And because of it, and especially because like there's so much negativity in the world that like it's just constantly being programmed within our minds, because we're going about this process unconsciously, there's so many negative loops in every area of your life, like money, relationships, finances, finances, money, same thing, but like career, anything. There are a lot of negative loops that are running right now. So what reprogramming your subconscious mind really is reversing those feedback loops into positive feedback loops. Belief systems, in creating belief systems that actually serve you, that actually empower you and help you create a nice, pleasant reflection as reality, rather than a limiting, lackful, chaotic, problematic reflection. So what we're going to do to reprogram your subconscious mind is we're going to start new reality feedback loops. And the way we start a new loop, a new positive loop, is we interject our current loops at the belief stage. Okay, you have to go straight to the source. So for this particular exercise, I'm going to ask you to get really clear about one thing that you really want. Okay, and you're going to present that desire in an I am statement. You're going to create a belief that you already are that. Okay, so let's just say you want to be a business owner. Right now, you're just working a 9 to 5 and you want to be a business owner. Quickly imagine yourself already being a business owner. And you want to do this more and more throughout the day, right? And as time goes on, you want to actually connect with that version of you that is already a business owner more and more in your imagination. But right now, just for the video, just do it for like 10 seconds. Imagine that version of you that is a business owner, and now create a statement that I am a business owner. Okay, so that is your new belief. Okay, and now through this I am statement, you are going to take action. Whatever action you think is going to help you unfold that reality of being a business owner, take that action. And before taking action, you can actually create a hypothesis. You can say something like, as I work on my new business, this new business is going to unfold to me. I'm going to become a business owner. Or me being a business owner is going to unfold to me. I place that in such a way for my mind to understand that, like, I am already what I desire, and it's simply going to unfold through me as I take this action. It gets you out of a state of chasing outcome, chasing destination, right? Because mostly you're used to being like, I'm going to take this action so that I can become this. I can manifest this. How about already being that which you desire and allowing your action to unfold to you and through you that which you desire in the physical? It's just like a little mind trick that helps you instantly. Okay, so your new belief, I am a business owner. I'm a successful business owner. Through that, you take action every single day. And now reality is going to give you back a certain reflection, right? Maybe you make certain progress on your business. Maybe you make your first sale or something like that, and you're moving towards that vision. It's unfolding through you. Now, here's the thing. Your current reality, as you begin to reprogram your subconscious mind to believe that you are a business owner, your reality is going to show you certain things that you carry within that are not in alignment with your new belief. So maybe you'll experience someone questioning your new goal about being a business owner. Maybe it'll be your own relatives and family member or partner. Or maybe you'll have a failure. Your business idea will fail. And so reality is going to show you all your fears. It's going to show you like what you truly believe about being a business owner. So see, you're going to receive that feedback. There's going to be some good feedback where maybe you made progress towards it, like business. And there's going to be negative feedback. Maybe you failed. Maybe like someone's questioning you. Maybe someone's doubting you. Maybe you're doubting yourself. So here's where you have to like really be careful. And this is where the conscious awareness is required. You have to handpick only the feedback that serves you and empowers you and affirms your new belief of I am a business owner. So what you're going to do is take all the positive feedback and affirm it and give it more attention, more focus, and make your current belief stronger of I am a business owner. However, all the negative feedback, you're going to not give it as much attention. You're going to neglect it. The negative feedback, you can use it to improve on what you need to improve on. However, you're no longer taking the negative feedback and defining it to be have some meaning. You're no longer judging yourself based on the negative feedback. You're no longer creating new beliefs based on the negative feedback. This is the reprogramming process, my friend. You only consider the positive feedback that makes you feel good, makes you feel empowered, and you continue to focus more on that. Focus your energy more on that and allow that to strengthen your belief, through which you'll take more action, through which more of the positive feedback will be available to you soon. But for now, you have to neglect the negative feedback. Because you constantly collect the negative feedback and give it so much meaning and so much focus, the negative feedback is controlling all your feedback loops. This is when we say in reality transurfing that your reflection is controlling the real image. Your external reality is just an externalization of your mind, of your internal reality. So here, when we're reprogramming the way we think and we're reprogramming ourselves to change our life positively, you have to neglect the negative feedback and focus entirely on the positive feedback. If you focus on the negative, just use it to improve, right? Like ask yourself, how can I use this to improve myself? And so on and so forth. But don't give it any meaning. Over time, as you continue to consciously filter this, do this filtration process of taking the positive feedback and neglecting the negative feedback while continuing to affirm your current new beliefs that you are trying to build and taking action through those beliefs, not to make anything happen, but to simply unfold your vision, right? Do these little mental tricks. They really help. But as you continue to do this process over a period of time, you will start to see more and more positive feedback in your reality, which you'll then have more and more like an easier time to affirm, obviously, because it's positive feedback. But this is the process that you need to go through to program your subconscious mind to create any new belief that you want to. It really is this easy. So I do hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions about it, put it in the comment section below. But if you want to learn this process in detail and cover the other parts of it that you also need to know to actually really execute this on an impeccable level, watch my Create Your Dream Life workshop, which is completely free. Link for that is in the description box below, okay? Make sure to watch that. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.